We all know map themes make our lives easier, but did you know that there's the option to batch generate rules while using map themes, so you don't have to write them yourself? The batch generate rules option allows you to generate multiple rules based on a classification. First, open the Map Themes panel and create a map theme for your data. Next, assign the layers you want to use in your style sheet. Once you've assigned your layers, click the Batch Generate Rules button at the top. To start batch generating your rules, you'll need to select your layers and the attribute you'd like to use. Once you've selected your attribute, click the Load button to bring in the values. Now you can choose the method, data classes, decimals, and inclusive boundary. There are 4 different data classification methods: equal intervals, quantiles, natural breaks, and unique values. You can click on the Show Distribution Histogram button to display a histogram and chart of your data. For data classes, you will choose the number of classes to classify by, select the number of decimals you want to display, and then choose the inclusive boundary setting. For this map, we're showing specific cost per state, so I'm going to choose quantiles. Now you can stylize your data. There's the option to set the style, stroke, scale, fill, opacity, and fill rotation. Set the visual properties as you see fit. You can choose specific colors or a full color ramp. Once you're done, click Add to add them to the style sheet. After adding the rules, click the Apply button to apply your style sheet to your data. If you want to edit the rules, open the style sheet again and go to Batch Edit Rules. From here, you can update the visual properties of the specified rules. Once you're done, click the OK button and apply the style sheet again.